starting a new painting. Man, that thing's getting big. One of the questions I get all the time is, why doesn't my pencil drawings, why don't they wash away when I do the imprimatura? Well, it's because I spray them with workable fixative. You need to do this outside. Do it outside where there's lots of ventilation, because you need air to breathe. What it's actually doing is sealing the drawing so that the solvent from the imprimatura doesn't dissolve the drawing away, doesn't wash it away. Funny thing is when I first began, back in the old days, I used hairspray to do this. I don't do that anymore. Thanks for joining me in my studio. If you enjoyed this video, you'll also probably enjoy watching the videos I've linked on the screen. Be sure to click subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. If you're ready for more in-depth lessons, consider enrolling on one of my online courses where I teach classical painting techniques for landscape painters. You can find all my classes at laynejohnson.com or click on the link in the description below.